So let me ask, where is Swati today? What happened? Anusha is there behind us.
She has some work, so I'm sitting here today.
She's a moderator.
Okay.
She's a moderator today. She's taking over. Stepping into moderator's shoes.
Yeah.
Okay. So welcome all for the workshop on menopause. So this workshop is with only one intention, that menopause yoga is an approach towards your holistic behavior. Okay, how you want to take it, what you want to do, and I mean, you know, the stigma that gets attached to menopause, that needs to be handled properly. So it's a method that includes specially adapted yoga poses, breath work, mindful meditation, and the behavior therapy. And we are here to educate all women who either are going to reach, or who has already, who is in that phase of their life, or who has passed through that phase of life and experiencing the after effects of it. Okay, so let's begin our journey, and your main takeaway will be that what you can do to make this phase of your life as a powerful one. You know, it's a big milestone in any female's life. So when does this typically begin? Typically, internationally, everybody, अगर किसी को seriously check करना है ना, तो अपनी मदर की साइड की ancestral history अपने पास होनी चाहिए कि what phase you're going to go through. You know, it never comes from father's side. It is always inherited from the genes that you inherit from mothers. So माँ, मौसी, नानी, ग्रेट नानी, सब उन लोग की हिस्ट्री अगर पता है तो आपको ये फेज हैंडल करने को बहुत इजी पड़ेगा, बिकॉज ये सब चीज वी इनहेरिट थ्रू आवर जीन्स. But now with yoga, you can overcome the difficulties that your mothers or the earlier generations have gone through. बिकॉज उनके पास इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं थी, या तो इतनी नॉलेज नहीं थी, नहीं तो इतनी ओपननेस नहीं थी कि हम लोग ओपनली किसी के साथ शेयर कर सके. यू नो, जनरली एक स्टिग्मा रहता था, और सबको यही बोला था जाता था कि हम लोग ने भी पास किया है, बेटा तुम भी पास कर लो, ये तो होता ही रहता है, दैट इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल. नो, it is like what I say on the slide, that it's the beginning of a new period, and you need to cherish it to the best of your capacity. It's not bad, no doubt. Period, menstrual cycle is the blessings that God has given to female gender, and I really believe into it. Because जब से अपनी periods चालू होती है और जब खत्म होती है, they are your best period of your life. And how to make best out of once you get over with it, that is what is a lifestyle change. Okay, so mostly all women begin their journey with menopause between 45 to 55. Okay, in United States generally they say that it is starts from 51 years, but again in India, we, because of the climate, because of the state that we are in, we begin either at 45 and we end up by 55. But nowadays, what we have seen in, I mean, those clients who come to us or to the institute that I belong to, there, whatever feedback that we receive is that there are chances of early menopause. Early menopause is that there are females who start their menopause as early as 35 or at 40 itself. And that is what is alarming and problematic, because as we know, और हमें बताया जाता है कि मेनोपॉज आ जाएगा, उसके बाद में तबीयत का ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है. जरूरी क्यों है? क्योंकि हम अपनी आप को इग्नोर करते हैं. अदरवाइज इट इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ योर लाइफ. Okay, it is not a risk, it's It's not risk associated only with weight gain. It is how we handle. With a right attitude, you can overcome it. And with a right attitude, if you don't have a right attitude, you are opening up a Pandora's box. And typically never get scared of discussing your symptoms with a common group who are sailing in the same boat, because you never know, somebody may give you a different outlook, different approach, which can solve your problem. So I know a very beautiful poem that it's very relevant for all of us. So how the disease are born. So हमारे पास बीमारियां कैसे आती है? Because of silence. You are silencing your tears. रोना नहीं है. You are कड़वे घूंट पी जाते हैं हम लोग हमारे बोलना बंद कर देते हैं, या तो हम हमारे एक्सप्रेशन बंद कर देते हैं. So all these things culminates on our body, and menopause is typically that time where you feel very low on your self esteem, because आपको क्या लगता है कि अपने शरीर में से कुछ जा रहा है but बहुत सारे hormonal changes होते हैं. So always remember that it is better to open up rather than holding yourself back. Okay? And it's a very beautiful poem. I'm going to release it on the We Women group. Every female must remember this. So it speaks through your fingers, it speaks through your restless mind and feet in the bed. It speaks through your nasty headache that you get, gastro, reflux, anxiety. These are all the symptoms that you are holding yourself back. They are not the sickness. You are giving an opportunity for disease and sickness to get inside your body. So how do we handle it? Start writing something. Write a book, write a poem, or just sing a song for yourself. Pick up a shoes and start dancing for yourself. Draw, create something out of nothing, and come out of your comfort zone. Okay, it's a very important milestone in all females' life, and make it a cherishing one. And if you still don't have an opportunity, or you don't know how to handle it, then go to a therapist or speak to somebody, a close friend of yours, or have a chat. Go to a terrace, have a chat with God. Nobody is there to listen to you. You just talk it out. Just let that come out of your body. Don't be ever silenced. Because whatever वो आप कड़वे घुट पी जाओगे ना, शरीर में रुक जाएगा और बहुत प्रॉब्लम करेगा. Okay, so remember this poem and remember every word of it. Now, in a menopause, the symptoms typically are experienced are on the left-hand corner of your screen. The 7 dwarfs of menopause: itchy, bitchy, sweaty, sleepy, bloated, forgetful, and psycho. Okay, these 7 dwarfs are just worth killing them. Don't get into it. Don't get or trade into it. Anybody and everybody should not trade into this 7 dwarfs. And these are just the symptoms that are being identified, but it may not hold good for you. It may be different. Each one of us are different, and everything may not hold good for you. Okay, so hot flashes, रात को गर्मी लगना, या एकदम थकान महसूस करना, एकदम क्रैकिंग साउंड आना अपने सब जॉइंट्स पे, या तो जॉइंट्स का पेन, या तो एक्सट्रीम वेट गेन अराउंड योर कोर मसल्स and your pelvic floor, or around your thighs and hips. This is the typical region where you get or you gain weight when you are passing through a menopause. Sometimes you start with a memory issue. Skin becomes dry or छूटने लगती है. You may not get adequate sleep, or you take lots and lots of time for getting a sleep, or you get a hair problem. So how do we handle it? Okay, so basically what I'm talking about is menopause is not just a risk with weight gain. It is your approach. आपकी 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 internal strength कितनी है, और इसीलिए हमें मेनोपॉज योगा या मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए, जिसके कारण आप इस चीज को हैंडल कर सको. आपको ये तो मालूम है कि आपका वेट गेन होने वाला है, बट वेट गेन कहाँ पे होता है, कैसे होता है? मेनोपॉज में वेट गेन बहुत डिफरेंटली होता है एज कंपेयर टू व्हाट अदर्स आर गेटिंग. सो अपनी हार्ट के अंदर अपनी आर्टरीज में फैट डिपॉजिट होती है, अपने कोर मसल पे यानी अपनी वेस्ट लाइन बढ़ जाती है, या तो हिप मेजरमेंट बढ़ जाता है. सो वेट गेन होता है बट डिफरेंट प्रोपोर्शन में होता है. तो आप उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, आपको अपने लिए टाइम निकालना बहुत जरूरी है, खुद के लिए. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मी टाइम. ओके, एंड थोड़ा बहुत as we progress further, I'll tell you something, give you a tip about how to change your lifestyle. And yes, the food intake, what you can eat right to stay right and have a mind right. Remember, बोन मिनरल डेंसिटी जब अपनी मेनोपॉज आती है तभी बोन मिनरल डेंसिटी में बहुत फर्क आता है. एंड थोड़ा बहुत अपनी लाइफस्टाइल चेंज और फूड इंटेक में चेंज करने से आप वो प्रॉब्लम को एडिक्वेटली हैंडल कर सकते हो. थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस, लाइक आई एम श्योर if there are gens, there will be an option available, but I'm talking about a non-gen people who can have a garlic, sage की भाजी आती है, rosemary, thyme, dill, and you can get into your lentils, oranges, tomatoes, broccoli, cucumbers, all this. Let's use all this. If you bring into your daily diet, you are handling your bone deficiency. Okay, so this is very, very important, how to handle your bone mineral density. Next is nutrition. So all these things are related to nutrition. If you have right nutrition, your sodium intake, your potassium and your magnesium intake is right, you can handle many things. So प्रोटीन ज़्यादा खाना है, बट प्रोटीन खाते वक्त आपको एक्सरसाइज भी करनी है. अगर आप कार्ब्स थोड़े कम कर लोगे आपकी रोजिंदी जिंदगी में, तो आपके लिए ये फेज हैंडल करना बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. As we age, nutrition plays a very important role. Nutrition with right amount of exercise. Exercise can be walking, jogging, yoga, or gym. I wouldn't advise gym for those who are very new to it, but yoga is safe with everybody and anybody. Now I'm coming to the important points about asana. Okay, I can't demonstrate or I can't make you do all these asanas because I don't know each one of you as a postures. Okay, but before that, Anusha, let's stop here and open up the mic platform for question and answer before I start with postures.
Sure. Should I stop the recording?
Yes. Open up